First of all, what I want to let everybody know, we're using a store-bought pizza shell. It's already prepared. It's not fresh, raw dough. These work great. My daughter Allie has done them many times and has impressed the entire family with whatever she has done. We picked this up at our local supermarket. If you can't find this particular brand, what is it? Wood Grill, all natural white pizza, Crust, there are other brands available. We're doing a caprese. And what a caprese is basically usually fresh tomatoes, fresh mozzarella cheese, a little bit of basil, a little bit of olive oil, garlic, very simple. Very simple ingredients, very fresh. Take it away, knock this out.
So what we did before is we took some San Marzano tomatoes and we just hand crushed them because it's easier. Added a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of garlic, salt and pepper, just basic. I like caprese because it's, like my dad said, it's all fresh flavors. This one's actually my favorite pizza. So we're gonna put a little bit of the gravy onto the pizza. And I like to do it hand crushed. I like the chunkiness of it.
Yeah, it has good texture.
And again, that's a great job for kids to do. Like we talked about making this into like a party or like a group effort. So that's a great job for the kids to do. They get a big kick out of that. You don't want to get it too saucy though, because there's the water in the mozzarella will make it soggy. I will say with these crusts though, they're pretty sturdy. This one couldn't be easier. And now we're just going to take our fresh mozzarella and we're going to assemble it. I think we're just going to do this because if you add too much, like we said, the moisture will come out of the cheese and it'll get really soggy and it'll spread when it melts too.
Now we're using a fresh mozzarella, not a basic. For example, we use mozzarella cheese for the topping on a barbecue chicken, but we're using a fresh mozzarella, which is slightly different. For our caprese.
Yeah, you could do burrata.
Burrata works very well as well.
That'd be really good.
Got this all set. We're gonna go to the grill with it. Here we go. Be back in 5 minutes. All right, we're 5 minutes in. We're gonna do our rotation.
That's good.
Just like we did with our buffalo barbecue chicken pizza. This is looking great. Our cheese is melting. I can see our tomato sauce bubbling.
Good.
Then let this go another 5 minutes. 12 minutes, we had our Margherita pizza on. We're gonna pull that off. And we gotta do a few finishing touches on this.
Yeah. We're just gonna put some fresh basil on the top. Just place it on. I like to keep mine pretty big. I think it looks better. And that's it.